everybody. This is Carol, the dietitian over at the Healthcare Center, and today we're going to talk about berries and some healthy snacks and healthy food choices for you all to think about. So with the spring and the much warmer weather, we have a variety of fresh fruits and vegetables that are showing up in our grocery stores as well as our local markets. Berries are some of my personal favorite foods, and today we're going to talk about the nutrition benefits of berries and some ways to incorporate them into your diet. So I have two definitions of berries for you. The botanical definition, the scientific definition of a berry, is a fruit that's produced from a single flower with a single ovary. So by that definition, berries include grapes, tomatoes, watermelons, chili peppers, cucumbers, eggplant, bananas. They all actually fall under the definition of berries because of how they're produced. In everyday English, we consider a berry any small edible fruit. We would never consider a banana a berry. They're usually juicy, they're round, brightly colored. They do not have a stone or a pit, okay? They can be sweet or sour, as we're going to find out with one of them. And although they have no pits, they often have many small seeds on them. Some of the most common and well-known berries are strawberries, raspberries, blackberries, which we don't have here, blueberries, cranberries. Some of the lesser well-known berries are red and black currants, huckleberries, and then these are the newest ones I found in the grocery store. These are called golden berries, and we're going to actually try them in a little bit. Berries are eaten worldwide, and they're found in every country except in the Arctic. Some berries are poisonous to humans, but the animals can eat them without a problem. Other berries can be poisonous when they're not ripe. An example of one of those is an elderberry, which is grown commonly over in Europe. If you eat an unripe elderberry, you're going to get very sick, but they're perfectly safe to eat when they're ripe. The berry industry varies from country to country, but almost, like I said, every single country has some form of berries that they grow. And the type of berries that are cultivated or harvested wild vary from country to country. The berries that are native to us in the United States are the blueberries, blackberries, raspberries, and raspberries can either be red or black. I don't think I realized that before. Strawberries, cranberries, and huckleberries. So I had to look up what a huckleberry is, and a huckleberry is basically a wild blueberry. That's what a huckleberry is. Raspberries, strawberries, and